Hello guys! For today's video, we're playing hide and seek with my little sister and my cousins. So, make sure to subscribe and like the video. I will be the seeker, so you guys need to hide. I have a timer in 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes. 5 minutes starts now. Yeah. Just inside the house. Okay, don't lock the... Okay, I'm hiding here.
Isira! You see me! Isira ninyo!
Ay, pagtanaw, talikod siya.
What kind of free candy? That's a kidnapper. Not going with that. We'll run. There's a kidnapper in here! Ah! Oh my god. That almost took me. Okay.
Hello, Maruis!
Wait guys, I'm just gonna wait for them to finish hiding. I'm just gonna read them like bicycling.
Ulay gamitan yung gamit ha? Ulay gamitan.
What is this girl doing? Oh my god! She just banned me. Okay, he has banned me. Okay. Hi. We're gonna say hi. Hi. I love your outfit. We like to say I like your outfit and they go say bye. Okay, bye. Your bicycle. Guys, you only have 3 minutes. 3 minutes left. I'm probably not gonna cheat. Robux? No. I only have 3 Robux in my inventory.
Wala pa!
Okay. You guys have only 2 minutes. What is this girl flexing at? Okay, I'm gonna stay away from her. Run. We just... Ooh. This house is in fire. It's on fire. This house is on fire. What house is it? Whose house is this? Oh, I took it down first. So, let's don't mind the burning house. Okay, let's go. They said they're done at like hiding. So, start. I'm starting now. Okay, for this, I'm gonna be shorter. I need to be short. Hiding spot. I had it here before. Okay, we cannot open the refrigerator. I'm not the owner of the house. There's no one here. Oh my god, someone just... Okay.
Small here.
There's no one here. So let's go upstairs. I'll wait. We need to go here first. Okay. Need to be smaller. Where are you guys? Okay. Let me just. Okay, let me just. Okay, there's no one here. No one. Oh, guys, I only have 15 minutes. Okay. Upstairs, we're going upstairs. Upstairs or downstairs? Okay, I'm going downstairs. And, like, no one is here. Like, no one is not here. Let's go upstairs. Okay, let's see. There's no one here. Wait. Oh, let's see. Oh, I think there's someone in there. There's someone here.
Ayaw, ipalantaw. Ade, tanaw,
There's someone here.
Ayaw, lagi ipalantaw.
Wala lagi, wala.
Guys, you cannot move in your...
Yan na ba?
Ayaw, hindi mapagmakitan.
We need to be smaller.
Smaller.
Tinawag ko.
Ano ba? Okay, let's see. Okay, I cannot find anyone. Cannot find anyone. Here, let's see here.
Juro ang ay, wa kita si Jaja na. Dala mo nagtago. Yo, ano pa si simple. Hindi kita nag-lay down kunday ko. Nag-lay down lagi ko.
Okay.
Oo, kita. Ano ang kulot? Dila ra ba ko nagtago ganilit? Ano tago?
Okay, there's no one here. There's no one here. There's no one here. I need to find someone. Or are you guys outside? Are you guys outside or inside? I can't find no one. Find no one. Okay, if I come here. I come here. So let's go to the other room. Here, I think I come here. Right? Let's see here. There's no one here. Like, bro. Oh my god! Oh my god! I found you guys! I found you guys! This is Julia! I found you. I found you.
Nasa
I found
taas
you.
si Angel.
I found you. I found you. I found you. Hey, don't run! I've already found you guys.
Angel is here.
Where is the other girl? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? I saw one running here. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? I think he jumped off the river. Hey, I've already found you guys. I found you. I already found you. I already found you. I already found you. I already found
Abal
you.
ka, Julia. Kitan ka.
Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, go to the TV. Go to the living room. Go to the living room. Go to the living room.
Ay, nakitan ka ni mo dyan.
No, I found Julia first. Then Angel just like run away. Okay, you're the seeker.
I don't know.
You're the seeker. Okay, go outside. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Bro, who's that? Who's that? I found someone. Uy, guys!
Kita mo mo kung nakiton.
Guys!
Nakiton. Si Angel.
Okay, go to the living room, guys. Sa TV. Where's Angel? Where's Angel? Come here.
Pero so cute, papi. Baba. May nagunsa man mo dito.
Ingkud.
Si Aba.
Come here. Okay, I found Julia first, so this is the seeker. Okay, we need to hide in like 5 minutes. Where's Julia?
I'm here.
Where are you?
Ayun.
Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Open the door. Angel. Open the door.
Ni roommate ni Angel.
Dito sa gawas.
Roommate me. Go outside. Open the door.
Uy, abre akuan ko.
Roommate. Hide. Guys, I actually have a special account. I think it's like it's in here. We're just gonna change them. Okay. Bro, I didn't save it. I didn't save that. I didn't save it. Wait lang. Just wait. Why do I have so much? Okay, let me just wait. Okay, I have a planet.
Sure ko, di na ako makita. Sure ko, di na ako makita.
Okay.
Darga?
No, we're not ready yet.
What is Raga?
Okay, let me just.
Wow, I'm finding a skinny pool. What's up, pool? Eh, pagpagaway, ay pagpagaway. Dili ko niya makitaan. Mura siguro kung nangarag. Ginsan.
Okay. Let me just. The height we need to make it smaller. Oh my god. Okay.
Ready?
No, I'm not ready yet. Wait. I'm not ready. I didn't have fire.
You like tikbalang.
Shut up. Okay, no one will find me here. Okay, I'm ready. Wait. I'm not ready. The name tag. The name tag. No.
Your name is?
No, don't copy it.
Name tikbalang.
Shut up. Okay, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready.
Nilat.
We're ready. We're ready.
Ready na.
We're ready.
Ganina mga tikbalang. Murag naka-block si Jaja.
No, di mo na.
Who is that?
What do you
Oh
mean?
my gosh! Is that a ghost? Oh my god, that's not
No, you didn't find me. No, you didn't find me.
Ninuro ko ginawa. Marupay ka sa bawah, diba?
Amanda ka?
Bro.
Pag ano, gigon man si Ilo na tikbalang.
No, he found me first. They snitch at me, guys. They snitch.
Balang is brown.
They snitch.
It's like a poop.
They snitch. They snitch at me.
Na
I hate you guys.
Uy, bawal, iliyuklot.
I hate you guys.
Ila, jangke.
I'm gonna help Julia find you guys, so you're gonna be.
Iliyuk. Ay,
You're gonna find themselves.
Kabalo ko ganina, kadini. Tapos
I'm gonna help them find. I'm gonna help you find them.
Kunin niyo ma.
And
kung wala
the first thing is I don't know where
in 5
are
minutes.
them actually.
Natikmag lang.
Who's not found yet? Who's not found? Okay, what's here in here? Guys, what's in here? I cannot open it. Oh my god! Where are you guys? Where did you find Janela?
Upstairs.
We're upstairs. Oh! He's here. Yeah, he's in the pool, hiding. Okay, who's not found yet? Okay, Angel, where is he?
Oh my gosh, I found Angel.
I mean, where is he?
Angel, I found you.
Where?
You're here. Tako.
Bro, guys, I'm logging. I'm logging.
House.
Okay.
House in the house.
Where am I always?
In here.
I'm bad at I'm bad at hiding, guys. So
You're here. Boy. You're here.
I'm bad at hiding.
Here. Tagag piso magkakita. You're here. Abal na ka dyan.
Wait a minute. Where are you guys outside? Like, no one's allowed to be outside. Where are you guys found me?
I found her! She's
Where? Where? She's upstairs.
there!
She's upstairs.
She's here! She's up there!
Okay, we need to not be fun.
Wait a minute, is here.
Okay, we need to go downstairs again.
Pangita, sa kunin niyo.
Where are you?
Downstairs. Oye, pala pala. Wait a minute. Wait out.
I have a feeling that you're outside.
Is here.
You're not allowed outside.
It's outside.
Where?
Outside and up and stairs.
Are you crazy? Hello?
Here.
Are you?
Where I'm hiding.
Where are you guys? Okay, Julia ran out of time. Guys, come upstairs. Downstairs. Come downstairs. In the living room. Okay.
I think she's in
Why did you find me? You guys are snitch. You guys tell me I'm black.
Going back and here.
Okay. I'm gonna find you guys quickly.
Okay.
You only have 3 minutes to hide. You,
3 minutes ra, uy.
guys, you know you only have 3 minutes to hide. Timer starts now.
Hiding, guys. Let's
We're gonna cheat, guys. We need to find like a telescope, something. We're gonna cheat because I always gotta do it. Hey, so we need to. We're prepared.
No, ako dali no. Ala!
Uy, si Jaja, naka-atubang sa imudlot.
What? Where? Oh, wait.
Manda. So,
Okay, guys, I will be right back.
Ito na lang ginana day lot.
Secret code.
I will be right back, guys.
Julia,
Oh,
find me. Find me. Wala pa dyan. I didn't find
I know.
Where I am.
Yes, I am though.
Wait a minute. I'm worse.
It doesn't work. Okay, we need to.
Don't open the light.
Okay.
Open the light. Don't open the
Let's see.
light. Don't open the light.
Bro, I cannot show my eye.
Face, uy.
Wait. Let me just.
Wala pa ko na.
I can't show. Okay, I give up. Try another way. So, let's try another way. Why doesn't it? If I made the question, what's the other way? So, we need to get in here. Okay, time's up. You have no time, so time's up.
Uy, lolo, what you?
There's no time yet.
Kung ko mo,
I'm already out inside. So I'm gonna look in the kitchen first.
Wait a minute. Wala pa bang Bisaya ko?
I don't care. Guys, your time, that's a time. The timer is done, so you don't have any time. Okay.
Wait 2 minutes. I said wait.
I'm just already gonna find you guys. I saw someone like hiding downstairs. Oh my god.
Wala pa na.
Okay. I'm gonna find him quickly.
Wala pa lagi po.
Oh my god, I saw someone. Who's that?
Wala pa lagi na.
Wait, oh my god, who's this? Who's this? That's Janela. I found you first. You're gonna be
Ready na.
The timer is up. You don't have a choice. Wait, where's Julia? Okay. Is Julia here?
wala siya magkaroon. At lang kaya ko head.
Ah! Who's that? Wait. Where is it? Wait, that's Julia. Guys, I cannot use the elevator. Okay. Where is Julia? Guys, I already found you. You, Angel and Janela. I already found you guys.
Find me now. Nasila sa kuwan.
I already found you guys.
Kita ako din kung nagkabang ka. Kita ako.
Okay, I give up. Julia.
Ako. Manggaga kita. Wala ba siya kay kita?
Tapit.
Amon. Okay, guys, come here. Oh my God, where did you hide, Julia?
In here.
Ay!
Come here.
Oh my God.
Ayun!
Like where?
Manggat ka na! Manggat sa laptop!
Oh my God, I didn't see you.
Janila is here, oh. You see that?
Okay, guys, come here. Okay.
Laking dira ay.
Where are you?
Ang langit.
Okay, Angel is the seeker, so we need to hide. Yeah,
Yeah, we need to hide.
we need to hide.
Hiding spot.
Okay, the point is we need to be smaller and okay. Guys. Where am I hiding? Where am I gonna hide? Let me just see.
Open pa?
Where are you? Yeah, where? No, I don't wanna come here.
Okay, ready.
No, I'm not ready yet.
3 minutes na, 3 minutes.
Wala.
Ay, wala! Wala! Uy, apple po, ko! Kung may apple!
Okay, we need to be hiding right now. So we need to have white face.
Gina?
No, I'm not ready yet.
Taman tayo, 1, 2, 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Just 3 seconds. Wait, I'm not ready yet.
Mana? Ulo ko kuko.
No.
Pagdali ma.
Ikaw daw matago, tapos ako diya.
Gonna find
Gamit mga gamit
I can see you. Okay. Oh, no. Jul, asa ka, Jul? Okay, where are you? Where?
You see?
Where? No, I'm not ready yet. Where are you? Let me in. Come in here.
Gina?
Wala pa.
Okay, go na. Let's go.
Let's go.
Don't see my Kasi Miss is so bad. Me is so bad.
Dito sa ka.
Wala yung luka! Wala yung luka!
Ano dito?
Wala yung luka eh. Wala yung luka dira.
Ay, ko iliyok ba?
Wala yung luka yan.
Sa Jun.
Isa man eh. Murag na yung ulo. Ug gamot. Lolot, Julia. Ilan kay? Oh, nasa lulo to? Naman galot. Ayun, padulong po yung dalayo. Ay, galot. Ganyan ba?
He already found Janela.
Ang galot. Sinulot lagi na. Papa, naman kadala.
Ayaw, i-open ka.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! So sorry. Oh my god!
I'm not prepared. Ano kita? Where I am.
She already found Janela, so it's only 2 of us. Okay, we're just gonna round up, guys. We're just gonna
I did code
we're just gonna round up. So,
You see that ladders?
what ladder?
I did code to them.
What ladder? What ladder?
Nagiliw-liw man niya.
Oh my god, I can see.
Isa mo na nagliw-liw. Julia! Abal ka dala, Julia.
Yung aman ko. Wala. Tiyo.
Ito na, sinulot. Uli ng kalot.
Oh my god, there's a ladder! We need to run! Where are there a ladder?
Lagi
there?
sa kasi yan, Jel. Kat siya. Gusto siya mukat-kat. You went upstairs.
Hala,